We're back talking with Dr. Wells, and today we're going to discuss at Dr. Wells at the last school board meeting regular board meeting held July 13th. Mark Conrady had asked the board president for a point of order.
Sure, July 12th, and that point of order is when you're asking for clarity in a procedure of a meeting. So he asked the board president for your clarity in walking quorum. And those who were there or watched the tape of the meeting, heard from legal counsel about what a walking quorum is. So I could try and will try to, in just simple terms, talk about a walking quorum. Basically what we're talking about is posting public meetings. And when you have a group of people get together, or when there's a committee meeting, those have to be posted. When a quorum or a sufficient number of persons are able to gather enough persons to affect something that might be becoming before the board, that would be considered a quorum. Sometimes it's a negative quorum, sometimes it's positive quorum, but there are different terms there. But a walking quorum really refers to when a sufficient number of members of a public body confer on a topic or discuss a topic, whether they do that explicitly or more implicitly, even if they don't say this is expressly what we're going to do. But when they contact another and then perhaps another, sort of in a telephone type of conversation, or they ask one person to contact others, or when they even find someone who's outside of the public body to take an idea from one board member to another board member, that can constitute a walking quorum, which would be a violation and would be something that would be punishable through a violation of the open meetings law. And those who were present heard the legal counsel also say that it's not a cut and dried, it's not a black and white situation. When asked if what Mr. Conrady was referring to was in fact a walking quorum, the answer was, of course, it depends. And it depends on what in fact took place, if anything at all took place, with regard to a quorum or any number of board members explicitly or implicitly trying to predetermine the outcome of a possible event.
Thank you, Dr. Wells.